Hi, you welcome to Financial Freedom Hub, the online earning tutorial channel. In this video, I want to show you the Ultron 5-year growth strategy that will blow your mind. Ultron Foundation is a revolutionary layer 1 project, blockchain project with its own native dApps, over 20 decentralized applications, and then DeFi programs on this protocol. And so I've been showing you videos on this potential, and then today I want to show you the 5-year growth strategy that will blow your mind. If you haven't joined the Ultron Foundation project yet, then you are missing a lot, and then you are leaving a lot of money on the table. And so come on board and let's get inside and look at the 5-year growth strategy that Ultron has put in place that is going to blow this coin into great heights. All right, so let's go inside. Ultron is the future of DeFi. Definitely, I don't doubt this at all. It is the future of DeFi. DeFi, decentralized finance, is disrupting the mainstream financial systems. All right, so let's look at some facts. Ultron facts. Ultron mainnet launched on the 1st of June. So we are live. Staking is ongoing, and then we are making some tokens and making some money along the way. So you can see here, you can get the white and the light papers of Ultron project. So the white paper is there, the light paper of Ultron is also there. And then you can also go to GitHub, and then you can get the Ultron project, everything, all the contracts and everything is on GitHub. You can trace everything on GitHub. And then the tokenomics, you can also find out the information about the Ultron Foundation tokens. That is the ULS, which is the native token or coin of the project. You can check out the tokenomics, that's the token economy, the distribution and everything. You can check it. And then also we have third-party companies that do the auditing of all the Ultron project. So we have Celtic, and then we have Solidity Finance. They are third-party audit firms that audit blockchain projects and programs. So Ultron project has been thoroughly audited, and they continue to audit. And then the test net was launched, and then the main net has been launched on the 1st of June 2022. Today is the 23rd of July, so we are almost 2 months old when the main net was launched. And so you can see things for yourself. And now here we come, the Ultron growth strategy. The Ultron launched at the launch price of 0.01, that is 1 cent, as you can see in the diagram here or the graph here. So you can see that is the beginning point, then went live. And so these are the various stages. So it's a 5-year growth strategy. So you can see it there from 2022, 2023, 24, 25 up to 2027. So that is a 5-year growth strategy. First year, second year, third year, fourth year, and 5th year. So it's a massive, well-structured and organized system. And we are expecting that by the time we reach 2027, Ultron Coin, that is conservatively, it should be at $5. But I know many layer 1 projects that within the second year, they have hit the sky. When you look at Solana, 2021, Solana hit $300. Even as at February this year, Solana was at 100 USD. Solana launched at about 0.30, 30 cents, but it went to 300 in 2 years or less than 2 years. So this one is just a layman or conservative figures that we are using here, barring all eventuality. So I know by 5 years, Ultron should be in the moon. So this is just conservative figures, and I believe we are going to perform better than this. So let's get to the left here and let's look at the order. So we are in June 2022. That is the launch. So the main net was launched in June, the 1st June 2022. And then here we have the 5 bridges that have been put in place already. We have the Ultron bridge with Ethereum, Ultron bridge with Binance or BNB, Ultron bridge with Phantom, Ultron bridge with Avalanche, Ultron bridge also. About 5 of them, all of them have been done again. And then the Ultron ULS scan is in place already, where you can go and check all the transactions and everything. It is live. So it's a layer 1 project. So you go there, ULS scan, ultron.com, and then you can see every information there. So the next phase is going to be the launch of the Ultron swap. That's a decentralized exchange. So the Ultron swap, as I'm speaking right now, everything is set. You are just doing some fine tuning and testing, and then it may go live before the end of this month. And the two programs that are going to start on it are staking and farming on the Ultron swap. So you can stake and you can farm, and then you can provide liquidity, etc. And then the next phase is going to be the lending and then the borrowing. So after it has gone live, the staking and the farming will be the first programs, and then the lending and borrowing will follow. And then the fourth phase is going to be the launching on the markets. So we see that it will be launched on DeFi Llama. DeFi Llama is an online platform where layer 1 projects or layer 1 protocols are listed, just as we have coin market capitalization that has a combination of all these coins and tokens. DeFi Llama is just for layer 1 projects. And then Chainlist will be listed on Chainlist, will be listed on CoinGecko, will be listed on coin market capitalization. And then we move to the next phase where the L Bank will come, the Lotto Day will come, NFT will come. These are the partnered apps, the partnered decentralized applications, NFT by Ivana, and then the Lotto Day, and then L Bank. All of them are going to be listed on the Ultron Foundation layer 1 project. And then the next phase is going to be the launch part and then the metaverse. The launch part is for the launch of new decentralized applications. So if you have a new project, maybe a token or whatever, the Ultron Foundation has a platform where they can help you launch it successfully, and then the metaverse will also be launched at this phase. All right, so then we move up, and then we are looking at launching, or we are going to be placed on the Pancake Swap. So listing on Pancake Swap, Uniswap, Trader Joe, and Spooky Swap. So it means we are not going to be only on the native Ultron swap. By the end of the period, we are expecting that Ultron Coin will be listed on Pancake Swap, Uniswap, Trader Joe, and then Spooky Swap. And then it will also be listed on all these other ones: KuCoin, Gate.io, FTX, Binance, and Coinbase. So by the time we get to the top here, and then we are going to see Ultron burning, that's ULX burning, coins, tokens burning will also take place, reduce the number of tokens or coins in circulation, and then create shortage. And then you know what happens when demand exceeds supply. Then you can expect that price is going to shoot up. So this is the strategy we are talking about here. It is massive, very, very massive, very, very massive. So look at it here. By 2022 here, we are expecting additional 15 native applications to be added to what is already in place. About 6 to 8 are live right now, ready for the launch. Once the Ultron swap or the decentralized exchange goes live, you will see that these tokens or these apps will begin to be released. So we are expecting that by the end of 2022, 15 plus native applications will be added. And then by 2023, we are expecting 100 plus decentralized applications to be on the Ultron Foundation Layer 1 project. Those are the native apps, and then the apps of third-party organizations. And then we are expecting that by the end of 2024, 15 decentralized exchanges will be placed or will be launched on Ultron Foundation protocol. 15 DEXs will be created or will be launched. And then by the end of 2025, we will see, that's 2025 to 2026, we will see 10 centralized exchanges added to the platform. So 15 decentralized exchanges plus 10 decentralized exchanges. And then we are looking at, by the end of the 5 years, that is the 2027, we should have 5 million users. 5 million Ultron users. So that is the strategy, and that is the vision, that is the plan. So it is solid, It is massive and it is going to be very, very great. So it is time for you to jump on board and then take advantage of this opportunity. I know that by the time we cross even 2023, 2024, Ultron is going to be above all these figures we are projecting here. So today is the right time for you to act. These are the staking hubs that we have right now, from the basic to the Supreme Plus. These are the prices, so you can purchase your staking hub. These are the stake ratios. This determine the number of coins you get. So for each of the staking hubs you purchase, these are the numbers you get at the current price of 0.01. That's 1 cent before the launch of the Ultron swap. Once the Ultron swap is launched, the price is expected to shoot up, and once it shoots up, it means you are not going to get this number of coins for these prices again. Okay, so take note of that. So ULS coins at 0.02 that you are going to be receiving at all these prices are going to be this. So every day at the 0.2 staking, you are going to get this. So once the price goes to 0.02, it means you are going to get half of these figures. So at 0.01 now, that is 1 cent. You get 6,000 coins for the basic package, 19,500 for the light package, 35,000 for the light plus package at 500 USDT. But once the price goes to 2 cents, it means you are going to get half of these figures. So 3,000 instead of 6,000, 9,750 instead of 19,500, 17,500 instead of the 35,000, and then it continues like that. And these are the daily staking returns in terms of coins that you get for the figures here. So $12, you are going to get 12 coins, Ultron coins, if you stake the 6,000 package, 39 coins daily for the light, and then 70 coins for the light plus, and then it continues like that. But once it comes to $2, and then you get 3,000, instead of the 12 coins, you are going to get 6 coins. Instead of the 39 coins, you are going to get 19.5 coins. Instead of the 70 coins, you are going to get 35 coins, and then it continues like that. So check. Today is the right time. The DEX is already running, and very soon it will go public, and once it goes public, the price will not remain the same. So today is the day you can take advantage, buy your staking hub, and then get the maximum number of coins. I told you in the previous video that the only difference maker in cryptocurrency is the numbers of the coins you hold. The more the better, because every price movement, the advantage is the number of coins you have. That makes the difference. The price moves, you have the number of coins, and you can make good money within a short period. I've seen people become millionaires, total millionaires, people who from rag to grace to the sky through cryptocurrency, and it is possible for you to make it as well. So get your coins according to your financial power, and then stake them, multiply them, and then let's see what happens. So thanks for watching. How to join, follow the link in the comment section of this video. I'll leave a link in case you want to join my team, and then you want to get your coins, and then you begin to stake. I'll leave a pinned link, a pinned comment with a link. Click on it and join the Mavi. That's the trading partner of the Ultron Foundation. You can also join our WhatsApp group, the Ultron Millionaires Club. For more information and education, the link will be in the description of this video, and it will be in that same comment. Click on it and join our WhatsApp group. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.